When looking to lock in a guaranteed return on your savings, understanding the current guaranteed investment certificate rates offered by Tangerine Bank is essential for planning your short-term and long-term financial strategy. Tangerine provides a variety of terms ranging from short-term holdings to multi-year commitments, available in both non-registered accounts and registered accounts like TFSAs and RSPs. Starting with short-term options, the 90-day GIC sits at an annualized rate of 2.5%. If you want to extend your timeline slightly, the 180-day term offers 2.75%, and the 270-day term brings a return of 3%. These shorter terms work well if you need liquidity within the year while still earning a fixed yield on idle cash. For longer commitments, Tangerine Standard and Registered GIC offerings scale upward depending on the length of the term. The 1-year GIC provides an interest rate of 3.25%, while the 1.5-year term yields 3.35%. Moving into multi-year holdings, the 2-year GIC offers 3.55%, the 3-year term sits at 3.65%, the 4-year term yields 3.75%, and select longer or promotional terms can reach up to 3.8%. Additionally, for those holding US dollars, Tangerine offers US dollar GIC options with rates going up to 4.4% depending on the specific term selected. Choosing the right term depends heavily on your personal cash flow needs and interest rate expectations. Because GIC interest is locked for the duration of the chosen term, selecting a longer term protects you if broader market interest rates decline, whereas shorter terms allow you flexibility if you anticipate needing your principal sooner or expect rates to rise. Furthermore, holding these investments within registered accounts like a tax-free savings account or retirement savings plan allows you to shield your interest earnings from taxes entirely, maximizing the growth of your capital without monthly account fees or service charges cutting into your returns. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.